Hello, welcome to People's Language. Today, I want to tell you a story. The story is about a problem. The story is about a big problem. The story is about a very big problem. What is the problem? Well, a teacher wants coffee. There is a teacher. The teacher is at home. The teacher is tired. The teacher wants coffee. The teacher looks in the kitchen. But no coffee. The teacher asks his wife, "Do we have coffee?" His wife says, "No, there is no coffee." The teacher says, "No coffee. There is no coffee at home." But it's okay. There's coffee at school. The teacher goes to school. The teacher still wants coffee. The teacher is still tired. The teacher looks for coffee. First, the teacher looks in the teacher's room. There is no coffee in the teacher's room. Next, the teacher looks in the cafeteria. There is no coffee in the cafeteria. Lastly, the teacher looks in the principal's office. There is no coffee in the principal's office. The principal enters the principal's office. The principal sees the teacher. The principal says, "What are you doing?" The teacher responds, "I want coffee. Do you have coffee?" The principal says, "Leave. Leave right now." The teacher leaves. There is no coffee at school. Suddenly, the bell rings. The teacher says, "Oh no, I have class. I'm still tired. I have no coffee." The teacher goes to class. The teacher teaches class. The teacher is sad. The teacher thinks, "I want a coffee." The teacher thinks, "There is coffee in town." After class, the teacher goes to town. Now, the teacher is very tired. The teacher thinks, "I want a coffee." The teacher sees a cafe. The teacher enters the cafe. The teacher sees a barista. The teacher talks to the barista. The teacher says, "I want a coffee." The barista says, "No." The teacher responds, "No? Why? I have money. I want a coffee now." The barista says, "This cafe doesn't have coffee. This cafe has tea." The teacher is mad. The teacher does not want tea. The teacher wants coffee. The teacher says, "I don't like tea. I like coffee. I want a coffee. Cafe means coffee. No coffee in a cafe? What? This is crazy." The barista says, "Please leave." The teacher leaves. The teacher goes to a store. No coffee. The teacher goes to a restaurant. no coffee. The teacher thinks, still, no coffee. No coffee in town. The teacher is sad. The teacher goes home. The teacher walks home. The teacher sees his neighbor. His neighbor is outside. His neighbor is drinking coffee. The teacher says, "Is that coffee?" The neighbor responds, "Yes, this is coffee." The teacher says, "Wow, coffee?" The neighbor is confused. The neighbor says, "Do you want a coffee?" The teacher says, "Yes, I want a coffee." The neighbor gives the teacher a coffee. The teacher is happy. The teacher drinks the coffee. The coffee is a little bit cold, but the teacher is happy. The teacher drinks the coffee again. The teacher smiles. The teacher is happy because finally there is coffee. The teacher thinks, now I want a hot coffee. How about you? Do you like coffee? Do you like tea? Do you prefer coffee or tea? Are you happy when you drink coffee? Are you happy when you drink tea? Tell me in the comments below. Bye-bye. Take care.